Look no further, as Indian Capstone Simulations will help you develop and demonstrate the exact skills required by real jobs. This particular simulation builds your proficiency in cash flow analysis for a live company. It is a key task in a finance or business role. Our system is designed to score your inputs and help you learn interactively. We offer hundreds of unique Excel simulations and numerous job-specific certifications across a range of subjects. Each of them will help you build competence on a corporate work task. The student visits our website and finds himself a certificate of his choosing. He or she then assigns or pays for this certificate, which will now be visible on the My Courses tab of the page. The page showcases previously assigned courses and scores as well. The student must download the simulation he wishes, which provides him with an auto-generated password unique to that computer. Upon opening the Excel file and enabling editing and content, the password must be entered to attain access of the document. The simulation contains detailed instructions that the student must read before he begins the task. The timer feature is available on every page of the file to keep the student in the loop. Upon submission, the sheet will be scored automatically. The student can choose to attempt it once more, or he can upload the file onto the server to indicate completion. Successful completion of every simulation in the course will get the student a certificate and a web link with all previously completed courses. It's that simple. Download, solve and upload. Earn these certificates and prove your excellence. So what are you waiting for? Upskill yourself and get certified today. Demonstrate your proficiency to your colleges and employers. This is Indian Capstone Simulations. Powered by EquityLevers.